All right. Another reason the packrats and clutter bugs procrastinate is because of lack of interest in boring chores. Now, I don't know about you, but I've been cleaning my house for a very long time. It's the same old, same old, same old, same old thing every single day. And we have four bathrooms in our house, and all four of those bathrooms get cleaned every single day. Now, it's true that I have employees that come to the house every day, but we have a lot of bathrooms and they have to be cleaned every day. So every day, no matter what, I clean at least four toilets every single day. That's not cool, right? How exciting is that? Well, it's not very exciting at all. And it's easy to put off doing chores and put off decluttering putting off doing the stuff that we know we have to do because it's not fun. It's just honestly not fun, right? So instead of experiencing this lack of interest and this boring stuff that's not so exciting, what would happen if instead we gave ourselves the happy bell? Now, I like this happy bell for this reason. If you are inside a house and there's nobody there to help you with the chores. Just the rest of the family's either somewhere else in the house or whatever. When they hear a bell and everybody in the house knows that something cool happened when the bell rings, they will unconsciously say, wait, I didn't get a happy bell either. And it is amazing how quickly after I ring a bell in my house, there's the bell, that someone else somewhere else in the house will ring the bell as well, right? Or they come running and they're like, hey, what just happened? What are we celebrating? We're celebrating something. So, one of the things that helps us end the procrastination is to give ourselves the tiny rewards and to actually take them every time. Like I said, this happens when no one's in my house. It's just me. And every time I ring the happy bell, like, yes, yes, I did this for myself, right? So, break the tasks up into tiny pieces. Make the bed, give yourself a happy bell. Then, when you go inside the kitchen, wash the dishes and then give yourself the happy bell. Why? Because you can. There's nobody that's stopping you. I know it's crazy, but it's really a lot of fun. When you clean out the toilet every single day, which we know you do, right? We got to clean the toilets every single day. Scrub out the toilet and give yourself a happy bell. There is nothing to say that you can't have happy bells scattered all over your house. And again, I'm going to leave links in the show notes to these because I want you guys to get some of these. I have 12 happy bells on my desk right now, but not only on my desk right now, but I have them scattered throughout my entire house so that there's nothing good that happens without somebody being within sight of a happy bell. And I can't tell you how many times people have like dove across the table because they want to hit that happy bell because it brings awareness that, hey, I deserve this because I did something cool. And then also kind of to let everyone else know, like, hey, we did this. So break up your tasks into tiny pieces, especially if you have a hard time getting stuff done. And I know there are some of you that are going to say, well, I try to do the tasks early in the morning or when people are late sleeping or whatever. That's okay. That's okay. Still give yourself the happy bell. A ding, they can go right back to sleep. But I'll tell you what, they will appreciate when they come downstairs or when they get up in the morning that the laundry is clean and everything's folded and put away and the dishes are done and all the stuff. And they will appreciate the happy bells. Okay. I know this is adults talking to adults and you're like, I'm not going to do the happy bell. I encourage you to do it anyway. I'm a grown adult as well. And it just brings so much joy in spite of the fact that there are no little kids or anything in our house right now. It's all adults. And all the adults in the house are like diving over the happy bells. Okay. So it's cool and it works. All right. And again, it's a sugar-free treat.